The 2026 tablet landscape is undergoing a massive shift, and if you are planning to spend your hard-earned cash on a new MacBook or a high-end iPad Pro anytime soon, you need to freeze exactly where you are. The definitive supply chain leaks for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra have just crossed the finish line, and they reveal a titanium-clad powerhouse designed to fundamentally change how we think about mobile productivity. Welcome back to TechVibe. If you are a professional creator, power user, or tech enthusiast looking for a machine that can genuinely replace your current laptop, you are watching the right video. Samsung is getting ready to drop a flagship that completely rewrites the rules on raw computing power, screen design, and artificial intelligence hardware. We have compiled the most authentic, fully verified leaks from the Asian supply chain and international regulatory filings to give you a complete, unvarnished look at this upcoming beast. Let's start exactly where your eyes will look first, the display. For generations, professional users have complained about the camera notch biting into the screen layout of ultra-premium tablets. Samsung is officially answering those complaints by bringing the notchless revolution to their flagship ecosystem. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is ditching the standard cutout in favor of a massive 14.6-inch under-display camera 2.0 system. This creates an uninterrupted edge-to-edge canvas with absolutely zero punch holes or notches to distract you while editing 4K footage or drawing detailed schematics. But the engineering team didn't stop at just hiding the camera. The glass panel itself is getting a massive structural upgrade to a Tandem OLED display structure. By layering two light-emitting sheets on top of each other, the Tab S12 Ultra is projected to smash past older limits to hit a staggering peak brightness of 3000 nits. Combined with an anti-reflective coating modeled directly after the premium Gorilla Armor glass used on flagship phones, this means you can take this 14.6-inch Titan into direct, harsh sunlight outside a coffee shop in California or New York and still see perfectly rich contrast and true deep blacks. But a gorgeous display means absolutely nothing if the internal hardware under throttling heat cannot handle your actual workload. This brings us to the biggest, most controversial design shift in Samsung history. For years, the premium standard meant relying exclusively on Qualcomm's top-tier silicon. However, recent application teardowns and manufacturing leaks confirm that Samsung is breaking tradition by putting a MediaTek Dimensity 9500 architecture under the hood of the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. Now, before you start thinking this is a cost-cutting measure, look at what the actual engineers are saying. The move to the Dimensity 9500 is a calculated strategic move focused entirely on two metrics: thermal efficiency and advanced multi-threaded processing. While older mobile chips had a tendency to quickly turn into pocket warmers and drop their rendering speeds by 30% after 20 minutes of intensive workloads, this new chip uses an advanced 3nm layout tailored for sustained, heavy processing. It is engineered specifically to run high-end Android desktop modes without breaking a sweat, ensuring that your heavy video exports or complex data models do not suffer from sudden, frustrating frame drops. To push that performance even further into the stratosphere, Samsung is introducing a mind-blowing 24GB RAM variant to sit alongside their traditional 12GB and 16GB models. Think about that for a second. That is more short-term memory than most high-end consumer laptops currently shipping on the market. Why would a mobile tablet ever need that much headroom? The answer boils down to how we work today: heavy, uncompromised multitasking. With 24GB of memory, you can leave a multi-layered graphical illustration open in the background, bounce over to render a 4K timeline, and keep 20 separate desktop tabs running seamlessly all at the same time without the operating system ever needing to force close an app or refresh a page. This immense memory pool plays perfectly into the hand of Samsung's secret weapon for 2026, Neural DeX. We all know standard Samsung DeX has been great for turning a tablet layout into a traditional desktop interface, but Neural DeX is a completely different beast. This is a fully on-device artificial intelligence processing layer. Instead of sending your data over the cloud to process complex automation or generative tools, everything happens locally on your machine. It enables real-time background processing, instant file compilation, and context-aware system resources that actively learn how you work to predict which applications need maximum power. It essentially bridges the remaining software gap between standard mobile operating systems and full-blown desktop environments. But hardware of this caliber requires a physical frame that feels just as premium as the interior components. Samsung is leaving standard aluminum alloys behind and upgrading the frame of the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra to a Grade 5 titanium chassis. This structural choice matches the ultra-premium feel of elite smartphones while solving a major ergonomic problem. A massive 14.6-inch tablet can quickly become tiresome to hold during long production sessions, but by utilizing Grade 5 titanium, Samsung is able to shave off significant structural weight while simultaneously increasing the rigidity of the tablet frame. It makes the entire chassis less prone to flexing under heavy pressure while maintaining an impossibly thin profile of just around 5.5 mm. For the artistic and creative professionals among us, the legendary stylus experience is also getting a profound mechanical overhaul. Tucked neatly into the back charging channel is the brand new S Pen Pro 3. This isn't just a plastic stick with a basic pressure sensor anymore. Samsung is introducing localized haptic feedback engines directly inside the body of the stylus itself. As you draw across the 120Hz Tandem OLED panel, the micro vibrations dynamically adjust to mimic physical friction. If you select a pencil tool in your creative suite, the pen will actually vibrate subtly to give you the exact tactile resistance of drawing on rough sketch paper. If you switch over to a fountain pen or an oil brush, the haptics shift to recreate the smooth drag of wet ink or thick oil paint. It adds a layer of muscle memory and professional precision that digital artists have been begging for. Powering this entire ecosystem is a massive battery system expected to range between 11,200 mAh and an optimized 12,500 mAh, backed up by a long-awaited jump to ultra-fast charging limits of up to 80 watts. This means you can easily juice up this massive cell from dead to 50% in a fraction of the time it took older generations. So, what is the bottom line on availability and cost? The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is heavily projected to make its official global debut late in the third quarter of 2026, targeting a typical late August or September unpacked reveal. As for the hit to your wallet, expect premium pricing to match the premium specs, with rumors pointing to a starting price point of around $1,299 for the base storage variant. The upcoming flagship represents a massive leap forward for mobile technology, moving well past the era of casual content consumption and stepping directly into the territory of elite, heavy-duty production workflows. If you want to make sure you stay completely ahead of the curve on the latest official supply chain updates, production leaks, and hands-on performance metrics for the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra the moment they drop, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and drop a comment below letting us know if you think 24 GB of RAM is enough to make you finally ditch your laptop. Thank you for tuning in to TechVibe, and we will see you right here on the next one.